How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you some simple mods I did on the Nerf Ionfire. Obviously, starting off with the disassembly. I did do a video on this, so if you want to know how you can do it, you can check out my channel. It's one of the more recent videos. So the first thing I did was use some Teflon tape on the O-rings to improve the air seal, and I also plugged up a hole in the barrel with some hot glue. One tip when you're doing this is to keep a dart in the barrel so that the glue doesn't get into the barrel and mess with your FPS and accuracy. Alright, the last thing I did was pad the end of the plunger with some craft foam, just so the gun can last longer because there's less shock to the plunger, and it also makes it slightly quieter. So basically, to do that, I just traced around the plunger tube on the foam, and then I cut it out and hot glued it on. that's pretty much all of the mods I did. I might also brass the barrel later, but I don't feel like I'm really qualified yet to do a video on that, because I'm not super good at it, but, that's all I've done. That's pretty much all I've got for today. Hope you liked the video. See you guys.